Hello students, we are here to discuss the test of class 9 T2, that is from essay 1, and the topics covered in this are polynomials, coordinate geometry and introduction to Euclid's geometry. Here the first question number 31, and answer for this is C. Here it is given the expression is 5 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 cube minus 3 into 4 into 5 upon 5 square, 4 square, 3 square minus 5 into 4, 4 into 3 and 3 into 5. I have to solve it. See, if I solve it term by term, this is a very cumbersome calculation. Now remember the formulas that we have. Here I have a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus, I can say 3abc, a square, b square, c square, ab, bc, ca. Can you think of any formula relating all these terms? If you remember, we have the formula, identity I should say, a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now if you look at the expression, this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and in the denominator I have this term a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So can I say from here a plus b plus c is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc upon a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So from this expression, if I do the comparison, what do I get? My answer should be a plus b plus c. Here a is 5, b is 4 and c is 3. So answer is 12. Next is question number 32, and answer for this is beta. Question number 32 is the value of k for which x plus 2 is a factor of x plus 1 power 7, 3k plus k whole cube. X plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, and if this is a factor of this, it means fully divisible hoga ye, and if it is fully divisible, then the remainder on division must be equal to 0, and we say if a polynomial is divided by x minus a, f of a becomes the remainder. F of a is the remainder. Now x plus 2 divides it fully. It means f of minus 2 in this case must be equal to 0. So for any polynomial, if x minus a is a factor, we say the remainder is 0, or f of a in that case is 0. So f of minus 2 0 gives minus 2 plus 1 whole power 7, 3k plus 1 whole cube, 3k, it is 3x plus c, I'm sorry, written down the wrong expression here. This is x plus 1 whole power 7 plus 3x plus k, 3x plus k whole cube. So f of minus 2 plus 1 whole power 7 minus 6 plus k whole cube, this must be equal to 0. K minus 6 whole cube, this will be minus 1 power 7 minus 1, I should put here 1. So k minus 6 cube is 1, k minus 6 is 1, and value of k in this case becomes 7. Next is question number 33, and answer for this is alpha. Question number 33 is, if p is equal to 2 minus a, then the value of a cube plus 6ap plus p cube minus 8 is. P is given to be 2 minus a. 2 minus a cube minus 8. I want to know what the value of this expression is. Let me simplify this. A cube, 12a, 6a square. Here a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b minus 8. A cube, 12a minus 6a square plus 8 minus a cube minus 12a plus 6a square minus 8. Look at it. A cube goes with this. 12a with minus 12a. So value of the expression here is 0. Next is question number 34 and answer for this is alpha. Question number 34 is, I have to factorize x power 12 minus y to power 12. See, can I write this as x power 6 square minus y power 6 square? Which formula can I use now? A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. See, I get x power 6 minus y power 6 into x power 6 plus y power 6. Now, further, can I write this as, according to this formula again, this will be x cube minus y cube into x cube plus y cube, and here x power 6 plus y power 6. X cube square minus y cube square, again the same formula, a square minus b square. Now, here if I look at the answer, they are not in this form, so I have to further factorize it. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now, x power 6, y power 6 is not in the answer. So what I do? I write it as x square cube y square cube, and again apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. So I get a plus b. Now a and b here are x square and y square. The another factor which need to be multiplied with this is a square minus ab plus b square, right? So my answer in this case is x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square, x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square, x square plus y square, x power 4 minus x square y square plus y power 4, which is nothing but your option A. Next is question number 25 and answer for this is C. Question number 35 is 2x is t plus under root t square plus 4 and 3y is t minus under root t square plus 4. The value of y when x is equal to 2 by 3. See, here x and y both are given in terms of t. Value of x is given, I am supposed to calculate the value of y. As such, if you look at it, this t has to be eliminated. I need only a relation between x and y, where I use the value of x as 2 by 3 and find out the value of y. See, if you look at these, if I multiply 1 and 2, what I will get? 6xy is equal to, can I use the formula a plus b into a minus b? What is it? A square minus b square, which makes it t square minus t square minus 4. 6xy is equal to minus 4. X is given to be 2 by 3. So y will become minus 1. Next is question number 36 and answer for this is beta. question number 36 is, if 5x square plus 5x square plus 14x plus 2 whole square minus 4x square minus 5x plus 7 whole square is divided by x square plus x plus 1, then the quotient q and the remainder r are given by. Let us see. If this is divided by, so let's first of all let me simplify this. A square minus b square, again a minus b, a plus b, a plus b into a minus b. What will I get? 9x square, 9x plus 9 into x square plus 9x minus 5. This is to be divided by x square plus x plus 1. Now if you look at it, I take out 9 common from this, this goes with it. It means this expression is fully divisible by x square plus x plus 1. So remainder in this case is going to be 0, and the quotient I get as 9 into x square plus 19x, I'm sorry, 14 plus 5, 19x minus 5. Next is question number 37, and answer for this is beta. The value of a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube, 6a square minus b square. What I have to do? I have to apply the expansions here. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, 3ab into a plus b, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b, I expand it, 6a cube minus 6ab square. Look at it, this b cube goes with this, a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square, a cube, 3a square b plus 3ab square, 6a cube minus 6ab square. 3a square and minus 3a square. 3 plus 3, 6ab square minus 6ab square. We are left with 6a cube, a cube, a cube. So 8a cube is the answer. Next is question number 38, and answer for this is alpha. Here it is given that x plus y is 5. X plus y is 5. X square plus y square is 111. I am supposed to calculate x cube plus y cube. See, what is the formula of x cube plus y cube? A cube plus b cube. The formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now if you look at the data given, x plus y is known to me, x square plus y square is known to me, but x into y I don't have in the given data. So from the given data I need to calculate this x into y. What will I do to do that? I have these two things available with me. See, I write x plus y whole square as x square plus y square plus 2xy. X plus y is 5, so 25 is equal to 111 plus 2xy. From here I can calculate the value of xy. 2xy minus 2xy, 111 minus 25. This gives me minus 2xy as 86, right? Or xy as minus 43. Now I have all the values. X into y as minus 43, x square plus y square and 111, and x plus y as 5. Put all the available values here to reach at the final answer. Next is question number 39, and answer for this is delta. Question number 39 is the value of x minus a whole cube plus x minus b whole cube, x minus c whole cube, minus 3 times x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, when a plus b plus c is equal to 3x. See, one way is we open all the expansions, multiply the terms, use this condition and then reach at the answer. But that is again a very lengthy procedure. What we can do here, see, if you look at the expression, it is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? And we know this becomes 0 if a plus b plus c is 0. Here in place of a, what I said, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is 0 if a plus b plus c is 0. If I compare these two, what I have in place of a, this a here is x minus a, this is x minus b, this is x minus c. So 3x minus a plus b plus c, and it is given in the question a plus b plus c is 3x. So 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. It means value of this expression is going to be 0. Next is question number 40, and answer for this is C. See, question number 40 is when x cube minus 2x square, x cube minus 2x square plus px minus q is divided by x square minus 2x minus 3. The remainder is x minus 6. The value of p and q is to be calculated. See, here I will use the dividend is equal to the divisor into the quotient plus the remainder. Here what I have to do, I have to divide this expression with this. So this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Remainder is given to me. Quotient is not known to me. Look at the expressions. This is a third degree equation, this is a second degree equation. Here coefficient of x cube is 1, here coefficient of x square is 1. So one thing is quite clear, the quotient is going to be a linear equation in x. Right? What will be the quotient? Quotient is going to be a linear equation in x. So because when you divide it with this first term with which you will multiply is x, so linear term, I write x cube. What that linear factor is, that is not known to me. Divisor x square minus 2x minus 3. I assume that the quotient is ax plus b and remainder is given to be x minus 6. So this term is equal to divisor, quotient I assumed to be a linear function. Why linear? Because this was a cubic, this was a quadratic, and remainder is given to be x minus 6. Now let me simplify the expression. X cube minus 2x square plus px minus q is equal to, here it will be ax cube plus bx square minus 2ax square minus 2bx minus 3ax minus 3b plus x minus 6. Let me combine the like terms and see what I get. Cube is only this term. For square I have these two terms. Let me check first. Ax cube bx square minus 2ax square minus 2bx minus 3ax minus 3b plus x minus 6. So for x square, b minus 2a, with x I have these three terms. So I take out x common, minus 2b minus 3a plus 1, and constant is minus 3b minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, if these two sides are equal, both are the polynomials of degree 3, They are going to be same when their coefficients are alike. It means here coefficient of x cube is a, here it is 1, so it gives me value of a as 1. Now on comparing coefficient of x square, what I get from here minus 2 and from here b minus 2a. A is 1. If I take a 1, what I get? B becomes 0. So I get a and b both. Next is on comparison of coefficients of x. On comparing coefficients of x, see what I get. Here coefficient of x is p, which is my requirement, and here it is minus 2b minus 3a plus 1. Now a is 1, b is 0. B is 0, a is 1, so value of p comes out to be minus 2. Similarly, on comparing the constants, minus q minus 3b plus 6. So q is, b is 0, so value of q is 6. p minus 2, q 6, that is my answer. Next is question number 41, and answer for this is alpha. If 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 6 has x minus 1 as a factor, x minus 1 is a factor of 2x cube